What's up, y'all? So I got the wig from Wet Kiss Hair. Now I'm gonna insert a little clip when I tried the wig on earlier, and this wig is just and I swear I tried to get the company to send me, like, I was like, y'all ain't got nothing else y'all can send me, but that's what they want to promote. So but they were nice enough. They sent a little bonnet, satin on the inside and out, which is a plus. Little edge brush, a stocking cap, a band, I guess, for your little hairline, and some lashes. The knots are bleached, but they're not bleached really well, so I'm gonna go back over them again. You'll see like black dots. And this is the construction. It just has the adjustable straps in the back and combs in the back, and then it has the 2 combs on the side. So I don't know, we'll see y'all. So I'm back with a shinkashay. So I'm gonna y'all, I think I'm gonna pre-cut the lace off first and then put some makeup and then okay, back again, put some makeup on there. Ooh, child. Let's see. I got the feeling. Baby, I got the feeling. I think I might have cut too much of the lace off. So let me put look like a side sugar ball. Y'all feeling it a little bit? No? Okay. I'm gonna stick it on and I'll be back. Huh?
This used to be the jam right here. I'm sorry.
So I'm thinking if I can wave this back, y'all. So we gonna see. Now, I did mess up and cut the sideburn off by mistake. But that's neither here nor there.
Twice.
This is what I did to the little wig. Really could have waved both sides and did like a little mohawk type. Let me see. It don't look too crazy. Definitely different from like what I'm used to wearing. Yeah, I think I could rock with it. The hair was easy to do, maneuver. It wasn't hard to like, the hair is very soft. It's easy to comb. So if you got time, you could definitely do some different stuff with this. But yeah, West Kiss Hair. I will link it in the description box below. And you guys let me know what you think.